Are you looking for something that can help you make $1,000? Well, you are in the right channel. Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make money with ChatGPT and Instagram. This video will teach you how to create or make quality content that you can post on your Instagram, which will then be your key in making thousands of dollars once you monetize your account or page. But if you may ask, how can Instagram help you? Instagram is an app that most people use. By creating quality and unique content, you can grow your page community, which can lead to page branding where we can soon generate leads and help us gain money. However, as I have said, quality and unique contents is what we will be needing. But how can you do it if you have less to none experience? And that is what I will be teaching you for today. First things first, think of a niche that aligns with you and your hobbies. Then, assess if it is the same or you can align it with popular Instagram niche like travel, beauty, food, and fitness and wellness. For the following niches are quite popular and growing a community can be a lot easier than other topics. After choosing your niche, you'll have to think of sub-niches that in-depth tackles your chosen niche. So, you can provide content that gives advice and solutions where you can gain your followers' attention and trust. For example, your main niche is fitness and wellness, and your chosen sub-niche is stress management. Listing diverse and interesting contents will then take us a while. That's why we will use the lending hand of an AI which is called ChatGPT. To proceed, what you want to do is open up your browser of choice. Then, tap on the search bar and type in chat.openai.com. As you can see, my account is already signed in on ChatGPT. So, just kindly sign in to your existing account before proceeding. However, if you do not have a ChatGPT account yet, what you want to do is to just sign up or log in an existing account like Gmail, for example. Once here, you can already start asking the AI your question. So for us to start, type in create Instagram interesting contents about. This is where you insert your chosen sub-niche and then add page. So this is how should it look like. Then press send. Wait for the AI to generate your answer, and then you can pick how many ideas you like. However, in our case, we will be picking one idea to go more in depth for the meantime. In this case, we'll pick this one. Copy your chosen idea and then ask for AI to generate again by typing elaborate more on and then paste your chosen idea. After the AI generated, choose one idea again. Copy it and then ask the AI again, but this time type in create 10 unique 10 posts about, then paste your chosen idea. Then send. But in my case, since I am aiming for an inspirational quote, I'll type in create 10 unique inspirational quotes about, then I'll paste my chosen idea. Once the AI is done generating, copy all of the ideas, then put them in spreadsheet. To do that, open up Google Spreadsheet or any spreadsheet of your choice. Tap on blank, then it will bring you to a new page where you can paste the AI-generated ideas. Paste the one you copied, then save it as a CSV file. But do take note to not paste it on the first row only. The number of rows should be the same number of your ideas. To save it, hover your cursor on the file, then look for download, then save it as .csv. After that, let us now edit our quotations using Canva. Once here, what you want to do is tap on the search menu of Canva and type in Instagram post. Select any template that may appeal to you, then customize it. Now, what we want to happen is to not manually type in the idea, since that will take us a while. So, what we're gonna do is to bulk create. To do that, tap on Apps that can be found on the left side of your screen. Then, tap on the search bar, then type in bulk create. Tap on bulk create and then tap on the upload CSV. After you tap on that, what you want to do is to connect the data by selecting the text and tapping on the ellipsis. Then, tap on the connect data and select the text that is being presented. Once done, tap on continue. Then press on generate. Just wait for Canva to finish on generating, then you are done. Just adjust your text to your preference, and you can also add graphics if you like and even change the background colors. After finishing your content, you can schedule your Insta posting using tools like Later, Buffer, Tailwind, and many more. Then, if you are still confused on how you can earn by this, let me clear it for you. First, you can earn by gaining thousands of followers. When you gain thousands of followers, a brand can reach out to you, or you can reach them through IG DMs or their marketing email. Second is you can sell affiliate products that is related to your niche by just putting the link to your bio. And lastly is by opening up your own dropshipping store that will correlate to your niche and your community. Like for example, mine is stress management. Good options for example are clothing brand or planners. Take note, this business will be easy, but it will also require a lot of patience. So invest in that one. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now make money with ChatGPT and Instagram. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.